Imagine you're in Paris right now, or maybe you're in Madrid, Spain, and you're really excited about exploring new country and meeting some interesting new people. Although right now people are mainly staying at home and social distancing, the coronavirus situation is not going to last forever. In order to help you with some foreign languages and challenging foreign language situations, Apple has decided to try to rival Google and has included new Translate app in iOS 14, which should already be installed on your iPhone if you have updated. So, let's explore how it actually works. First off, Apple's Translate app works as normal translation app that you can open, select your languages, and type the sentence or the word for translation. However, what's cool about this app is that when you turn your iPhone in landscape mode, you can use the app to help you converse with someone who speaks another language. How to use the new Translate app in conversation mode. Choose your language and choose the language you want to translate into. Turn your iPhone in landscape orientation, tap on the mic and start speaking to change turns with the other person. You don't need to do anything additional. After your sentence has finished translating, you can tap on the mic and he can start talking. The app will recognize which language is being spoken and will translate to the other part of the screen. You can turn this setting off, but it's on by default. The Translate app also features an offline mode of your selected languages. You can also pick favorites and use attention mode. Here's how. You can use favorites in the new Translate app in iOS 14. Type or speak word to translate. Tap on the star to include it in your favorites. Reference your favorite translations from the star on the bottom of your screen in portrait mode. You can also benefit from the app's attention mode. To easily catch the attention of your interlocutor, turn your iPhone in landscape mode. Speak or text word, sentence. Click on the two arrows on the left-hand side of the screen and you will see the translation on full screen with enlarged text.